Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Walmart gift card on Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Walmart gift card on Roblox, the first step that you need to do is check your Walmart gift card type. Walmart gift card, cash card can be used like a Visa or MasterCard. Walmart gift key card or Walmart digital card can also be used online. Roblox doesn't support or doesn't accept Walmart gift cards directly. You'll use it as a payment method on Roblox. Then the next step is to simply head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar type in roblox.com or simply open up the Roblox and sign into your account. Then what you need to do is simply tap on Roblox on the top right corner of your screen and simply tap on buy or select one of the options. Then once that's done, you'll be able to see the payment type. Now all you gotta do is select credit or debit card or Visa MasterCard. Then once that's done, here what you need to do is enter the gift card number, expiration date and CVV from your Walmart gift card. Then enter your billing information that can match your Roblox account, and then scroll down and tap on pay or submit. Your Walmart gift card works like a prepaid card for Roblox, and next step is to confirm your purchase. The gift card balance will be used to pay for the Robux or item, and if the balance is enough, you may need another payment method for the remainder. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.